Hey guys, so today I thought that I would test out the capabilities of this in semi low light situations, still daylight but it's getting a bit darker, and just see if it really does keep up with it, because in pro mode, which is what I'm featuring today, I just want to know how good it is, and I'll be testing the slow motion and capabilities of the 120 FPS camera for the 1080, so that'll be good, that'll be great, let's go. But not only that, well, apart from the slow motion from it, I want to see how real to life or vibrant it actually is, because Samsung has a vibrant or neutral setting, not anything like they've done before. So I thought, what better way to test things out than here where the wind is, and I'm using my Galaxy Buds Live as the audio, because I was actually pretty bummed when they, a few years ago, said they were getting rid of the headphone jack, but I can see this is the way of the future. No more wires, no more catastrophes, no more attachments, just pure phone, pure audio, pure everything. Okay, little bit of an editor's note here. I accidentally remembered what I needed to do with the 120 camera, and so I decided to come here while it's losing light. So enjoy this next montage part. Hey guys, so I wanted to finish up. I only had 10 minutes in the park before the guy closed up. I could go in there longer, but it is getting a bit cold, and with my heart condition, hands cold, and I can't find my gloves, so they're probably in the wash. But all in all, today's video was great. If you guys didn't know, or you jumped ahead to things, this video was me testing out the Pro Modes camera using the 1080p 120 FPS, both in regular to get that nice smoothness you want, as well as the details because it's getting more frames. And of course, 120 is perfect for slowing things down. So even though this is recording in 120 FPS, I am going to be rendering it at 30. So, which is weird considering sometimes I do 24, but 30 is perfect because that gives me 2 times slowness. So half and then another half. So perfect. I got what I could in the 10 minutes because he only gave me 10 minutes. And I'm really ecstatic about it. The downside is I'm just sad that you can't connect up your buds live with anything else on the camera. Like with my old setup, I had a microphone you plugged into the phone, and no matter what camera setting you were using, it would use that. I hope that there is a software update to allow that. Not having the I understand that it's pro camera, you have the control of everything, including the audio. Fair enough, but that's just me nitpicking. As well as it can't focus, but I think it was because I was trying to focus on water a lot of the time, and water's in constant motion, and if you guys know science, then yeah, that ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna fly. So I want to give a huge thank you to Android Authority and to CJ Knows Tech. If you guys haven't heard of them, they'll be in the links description, but they actually, I've been watching them for years and they inspired me to start my own tech reviews. Now, this isn't the only thing I do on this channel. This is a camera, tech, and vlogs channel. So, well, photography, but I'm going to put it to camera because this camera is the best that I have come across yet. So, huge shout out to them. Thank you for watching. If you guys have watched this far, thank you. And if you guys liked it, a subscription would be nice. And a thumbs up if you guys liked it would be appreciated, as well as a thumbs down. That way it lets me know what you guys are liking and not liking in my videos. And if there's anything you notice or want to critique me about, don't hesitate. Just let me know in the comments below, and I'll be getting back to you as soon as I can. And I'll be ever so thankful because I'm so nervous because I've never done product reviews with such heart because I absolutely love mobiles, and I'm glad that I did get the Note 20 Ultra. The downside is I don't have the case, but that'll be for another day. So thank you guys for watching. As always, have a good one, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.